The rule of law is a fundamental principle that underpins a fair and just society. It asserts that all individuals, institutions, and government entities are subject to and accountable to the law, which is fairly applied and enforced. It ensures that no one is above the law, that the law is applied equally to all, and that legal processes are transparent and predictable. Key elements of the rule of law. 1. Supremacy of law definition. The principle that the law is supreme and takes precedence over the actions of government officials and private individuals. Implication. Laws must be obeyed and respected by everyone, including lawmakers and government officials. 2. Equality before the law. Definition. The principle that all individuals, regardless of status, wealth, or position, are equal before the law and are entitled to equal protection and benefit of the law. Implication. Laws must be applied impartially and without discrimination. 3. Accountability. Definition. The principle that government officials and institutions are accountable under the law for their actions and decisions. Implication. Mechanisms, such as judicial review and oversight bodies, must be in place to hold officials accountable. 4. Fair legal processes. Definition. The principle that legal processes should be fair, transparent, and just, ensuring that legal rights are upheld and that there is due process of law. Implication. Legal proceedings must follow established rules and procedures, and parties should have the opportunity to present their case. 5. Protection of fundamental rights. Definition. The principle that the law should protect and uphold fundamental human rights and freedoms. Implication. Constitutional or statutory guarantees of rights, such as freedom of speech, right to a fair trial, and protection from arbitrary detention, must be respected and enforced. 6. Separation of powers. Definition. The principle that the powers of government should be divided among separate branches, legislature, executive, judiciary, to prevent abuse of power and to provide checks and balances. Implication. Each branch of government should operate independently while being subject to oversight and control by the others. Importance of the rule of law. 1. Justice and fairness. Ensuring justice. The rule of law promotes justice by ensuring that laws are applied fairly and impartially. It protects individuals from arbitrary decisions and actions by the government. Fair treatment. It guarantees that individuals receive fair treatment under the law and have access to legal remedies. 2. Stability and predictability. Legal certainty. The rule of law provides a stable and predictable legal environment. People can understand legal norms and plan their actions accordingly. Economic confidence. It fosters economic growth and confidence by providing a reliable legal framework for business and investment. 3. Accountability and good governance. Preventing abuse of power. The rule of law holds government officials accountable for their actions, reducing the risk of corruption and abuse of power. Promoting transparency. It enhances transparency in government operations and decision-making processes. 4. Protection of rights and freedoms. Human rights. The rule of law ensures the protection and enforcement of fundamental human rights and freedoms. Access to justice. It guarantees access to justice for all individuals, allowing them to seek redress for violations of their rights.